A great workbench is the foundation of any productive workspace. In today's video, we're reviewing 5 of the best workbenches on Amazon that are designed to help you build your ideal workspace, covering everything from compact, foldable solutions to heavy-duty, full-featured benches. We begin with the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table and Sawhorse, a highly versatile and portable workbench that has gained serious popularity among homeowners and hobbyists. This unit stands out because it functions both as a table and a sawhorse, with a work surface that supports up to 300 pounds and a sawhorse mode that handles up to 1,000 pounds. It includes integrated quick clamps and bench dogs, which are extremely helpful for securing work pieces on the fly. The best part? It folds flat and can be carried like a briefcase, making it ideal for job sites or small garages where space is limited. Users consistently praise it for its convenience, lightweight, and ability to handle a surprising range of projects with ease. Next is the WORKPRO Adjustable Height 48-inch workbench, a more robust, stationary bench that offers the kind of durability and flexibility that serious workshops require. The tabletop is made of thick rubber wood, offering both toughness and a smooth work surface. What really makes this model shine is its height adjustability, ranging from 31 to 41 inches, allowing users to tailor it to their ergonomic preference. It also comes with a built-in power strip and USB ports, which is a game changer for charging tools, phones, and lights without hunting for an outlet. With a weight capacity of over 1,500 pounds, it's built for heavy-duty use. Customers love its sturdy construction, clean finish, and how easy it is to assemble. For those needing a larger and mobile option, the Seville Classics UltraHD 72-inch rolling workstation delivers a combination of workspace and storage in one unit. It features a solid hardwood top, heavy-duty steel frame, and 4 lockable casters for easy movement around the shop. This bench also includes a full-length pegboard, drawers, and a bottom shelf, providing ample room for tool organization and hardware storage. It's especially ideal for garages and service areas where flexibility and access to tools are essential. Reviewers highlight its high build quality, smooth drawer function, and overall durability, making it a reliable centerpiece for a serious workspace. Another excellent choice is the OLBRUS 48-inch height adjustable workbench, which stands out for combining industrial-grade strength with practical features. It supports up to 2,000 pounds, making it the strongest model on our list. Its height can be adjusted to 5 preset levels, and like the WORKPRO bench, it includes integrated power outlet. The surface is made of solid wood and finished to resist wear and stains. This bench is a top pick for heavy-duty users such as mechanics, metal workers, or anyone running a busy home workshop. Customers frequently mention how solid and vibration-resistant it feels, even under heavy tool use or bench-mounted machines. Last but not least, for those with limited space or multifunctional rooms, the Latitude 59 wall-mounted folding workbench offers a smart, space-saving solution. This bench mounts directly to the wall and folds down when not in use, making it perfect for small garages, apartments, or even laundry room. It has a beautiful solid wood top and a powder-coated steel bracket system that supports up to 200 pounds when in use. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure, and it looks great mounted on the wall when folded up. Many users use it as both a work surface and a part-time desk, thanks to its clean design and easy deployment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you narrow down your perfect workbench, be sure to like and subscribe for more gear reviews, workshop tips, and DIY setup inspiration.